Good morning, Pine class. Today in our maths lesson, we're going to be revising negative numbers. Before we have a go at this really exciting activity, I just want to remind you of a few of the reasons we might use negative numbers in real life. So firstly, we use negative numbers or minus numbers to show temperatures that fall below freezing. So in the winter in England, it might get to -1, 2 or 3 degrees, for example. We might also use negative numbers when describing diving in the ocean. So you might hear people say that they've travelled a certain number of metres below sea level. If you know anything about golf, you'll know that sometimes if you've got a good score, it'll be in negative numbers. You should research that and have a little look. And finally, you might also use negative numbers to describe flaws in a building, which is what we're going to do today. We're going to try and solve 3 negative number problems with the help of Mr. Buzz Lightyear. And he is going to be ascending and descending floors in our building. So let's start with problem number 1. If Lego Buzz Lightyear starts on the 2nd floor and descends, that means goes down 2 floors, which floor does he end up on? He starts on the 2nd floor and he's going to descend 2 floors. 1, 2. So he has ended up on the ground floor to 0. Easy. Okay. Problem number 2. If Lego Buzz Lightyear starts in the basement and ascends, that means goes up 4 floors, where does he end up? So he starts in the basement, so that's -2. And he's going to ascend 4 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. He ends up on the 2nd floor, of course. And final problem. If Lego Buzz Lightyear starts in the penthouse, that's the 3rd floor, and descends 4 floors, where does he end up? So starting in the penthouse, he's going to descend 4 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. He ends up on the lower ground floor, that's floor -1, of course. Thanks very much, Buzz Lightyear, for helping us out with today's challenge. I'm looking forward to seeing your work on negative numbers later today.